Now that we have created everything, yes, let's try to create a GL account session. What is the T code to create a GL account? The T code is FS double zero.
OPY6.
FS double zero. To create a GL account is FS double zero. Yes. Now, is this our company code 1710? Is this our company code?
No.
No. So
No, sir.
how to change the company code? Click on this. Change company code. Click on this. Enter SAN1.
S1.
Continue. Alright, it is saying please exit this value. Let's go back. Slash n. Let's go to first subtotal. Now again let's try SAN1. Okay, it is not accepting for what? Let me try to create a GL account. Okay. Now let me try SAN1. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Slash n SAN1 FS double zero. No, SAN1. It does not exist. It's saying SAN1. Okay, let me just log in and log out. Yes. Let's log in again. Now let's go to FS double zero. अरे यार, what is this? Our company code is SAN1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Why can't I see here our company code? Someone has deleted our company code, is it? Let's go and check. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. We check delete company code, edit company code. SAN1, it is there, no? SAN1 is there. We go to OBY6, OBY6, go to SAN1. Yes, everything is there. V3 company field status variant. Wait, what is the field status variant? Acha, we did not assign the field status variant. Okay, that is why it is not showing. Okay. Okay, one thing we missed, I think, field status variant. I showed you the field status variant. Everybody remembers I showed you this. I'll show you again. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, किधर था field status variant? Where was it? No, I think financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, fields, field status variance. Yes, it was 0001, right? 0001 is standard, okay? 0001 is standard, and all these field status groups are inside it. So we have to go, we can assign 0001. We'll go here, assign company code to field status variant. We'll go here. No, close this. Now let me go in. Yes. Company code is SAN1. Yeah, SAN1 will assign the field status variant. 0001. Yes. Save. Save. Field status variant is assigned. Now, let me go to OBY6. 6 again. We go in again. Position. SAN1. Okay, and create. This is there. This is there. Field status variant. Posting period variant. Okay, whatever is needed right now is there. Okay, now let me go to FS00. Now let's check. Let's go to SAN1. Again, the same error it is shown. इसे क्यों दिखा रहा है? Why? Change. Okay, we are creating a new GL. Okay, we'll create a new GL here directly. Instead of switching the company code, we'll click on create GL. Okay, yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, just 1 second. Let me just. I'm just thinking. Okay, let's go. Let's create a GL. Let's make a retain earning account. What was the retain earning account which we took? Anybody remembers? 39999. ये था ना retain earning account? Yes or no? Enter the company code here. Everybody remembers 39999 we have taken. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then SAN1 we can enter. Press enter. Now see. Yes, it is taking the new company code. Yes or no? SAN1 it is taking here. It is still showing 1710 here. Now let's go back again. Let's go out. Lesson. Now it should take our company code. FS00. Yes, can you see company code SAN1 now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Create. Let's go. 39999. Yes. Continue. Yes. Now we'll go here. Balance sheet. Then we can enter account group as equity. We can make it retain earning account. Retain earning account. And we can make it retain earning account for SAN1 like this. Yes. And then go to control data. Currency is INR. Okay. And we'll go to create bank interest. And then we can enter your select option and let's G001. Yes, G001. Enter. And then click on save. Yes. Continue. Can you see? Equity के नीचे retain earning account is created. Yes or no? Yes. Now let's make another GL. What does our purchase account start with? Purchase account is what? Asset है, liability है, क्या है? What is purchase account? Hello, what is purchase account?
Liability.
Liability. It's an expenses.
It is not liability, it is an expense. Yes. And what does our expense start with? What number? Expense starts with 5. Yes. We have done expense with 5. Yes or no? Select. Go to your GL account type. We can do this one. Account group. We can select expense. Short text. We can enter purchase account. Purchase account for SAN1. We can enter like this. Then go to control data. INR. Create bank interest. Again, we can select G001. Enter and then save. Yes or no? Now below equity, there is retained earning account. Below expense, there is a purchase account. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, yes, sir.
We can create one more. Now, if I'm creating again, I want to create a rent account. What will it go under? Now you tell me. Which number should it start with? Rent is what? Asset.
Expense.
Rent is again expense. Very good. Now, if we have used 50000, what is the next GL it can take? It will take 500.
50001.
Correct. 5001. Company code is 891. Continue. Let's go to type description. We'll go again here. Expense. Account group. Expense. We'll make it rent account. Rent account for SAN1. Yes or no? Then we'll go to control data. INR. And then we'll go and select create bank interest and then go here and select G001. Enter and then save. Now can you see expense has two accounts? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now if I want to make a cash account, what's it? What is it? Cash is what?
Asset.
Cash is asset. Asset will start from what?
1.
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Continue. Let's go to type description and click here. Cash account. Account subtype I can take petty cash. Account group I will take assets. Okay. We'll make it cash account. Cash account for SAN1. Enter. Go to control data again. INR. Create bank interest. For cash account, we can select which group? We can select bank account G005 like this. Enter and then save. Can you see now? Assets. Assets has a cash account, equity has retained earning account, expense has purchase account, rent account. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear, eh? This I think this is enough for today. Okay. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have the weekend. Please practice, okay? Please practice everything. It is very important that you practice everything. Yes. And
Sure, sir.
practice and remember the concept also. What is retained earning account? What is document splitting? What is GL account? What is tolerance group? What is document type? What is field status variant? You should remember all this. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Kartiki, Pragati, Prasanna, Alekya,
Yes,
Vinod,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Tanika, everybody. Clear? All right then. Thank you very much. I will see you guys on Monday morning now. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any questions, please post in the group. Okay? Thank you very much. See you. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.
Yes,
You
sir.
too.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Weekend.